There is the damage that we need to try and fix. Blend it in so that you can't see it. Right. There it is, all sanded down, ready for a bit of filler to go in there because they've gone a bit deep. We'll fill that up, put some primer on it, start building the paint up. There we go, all filled. Now ready to have some undercoat put on there. There we go. Primer's on, undercoat. That's ready when it's dry. Have the gloss put on, and then the fun begins, blending it in. And there is the first coat of gloss. I'll give it another coat of gloss tomorrow, and then start to wet and dry it and fair it in. There we go, finished, all blended in. Just got to be polished now, but you can't see where the repair was.